Hello there, and welcome to the wholesale section of the Aaki website. Andy here, and I wanted to let you know some of the details about Aaki wholesale products for shops repairing and servicing electric motors. You know, most of our clients that carry the Aaki Corp product lines are owners and operators of electric service and motor repair shops. It's important to me, and it's always been my goal with Aaki, to provide quality, service, and value to our customers. We want you to know that when you are carrying and installing Aaki products, you are working with products of the highest quality that can be counted on to perform. For those managing a shop and watching the dollars, rest assured that you are getting real value with these products. So click on the button below and send us an email. We will respond promptly to help you get started in carrying the Aaki Corp product line. Thanks for watching.